Hi, hope you're all doing good. It's another 50 plus days for NEET MDS 2019. So how is your prep going on? This is a time period where you need to exclusively focus on revision, revising as many MCQs as you can from different subjects. Strengthening of basics and clarity of concept is need of the hour. Because of negative marking, there shouldn't be any room for guesswork, any room for luck. It's all about mastering the concept which you're going through. Even though it's not practically feasible to complete all concepts or all topics from all subjects, at least what topics you're going through, make sure you're perfect in those specific topics, right? Keeping these objectives in mind, we're launching crash course for NEET MDS 2019 with a very affordable fee. You can drop a mail at proudtobedentist@gmail.com for further details. But the overview of this crash course is it includes 8 grand tests with All India ranking, daily tests, and then study club discussions. Most importantly, we'll be providing you key points from all subjects. So study club discussions are nothing but WhatsApp discussions where we'll have cumulative revision of different topics as well as subjects. For further details, you can drop a mail at proudtobedentist@gmail.com. Keep the momentum going. It's all about giving your best each moment.